So we will continue with the American standards. Click OK.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter anyway. Click OK. Today I'm going to tell you very simple things so that you will get the concept well, so that you can apply for any building.
Okay, sir.
So what I'm going to consider is like only one beam. Only one beam, and then I'm going to assign a restraint. So select these two, and then I'm going to fix it. Otherwise, like I will continue with the simply support. Click OK. Okay, so here you can refresh and see the thing. Okay, okay. Now I'm going for define section property, frame section. Okay, now I'm going for add new property as usual, but this time I'm not going to continue with the rectangle. Okay, but I'm going
Okay.
to use auto select list. But for that auto select list, we must consider so many rectangular things, so that I will create first.
Okay, sir.
Like this one, like beam, right? Beam of 230 cross 230. Okay, so it is like a 230, 230, and then modify your show rebar. So this is not okay, and always like 25 cover for beam, and you can click OK, and then OK. Okay, now you can just add copy of property. So 350 cross 350. You can put different sizes also. 350 cross 350. Okay. This is already because we copied it, right? So that you will get everything copied also. Add copy of property. Now like a beam width I will consider 350 cross 450. So only the thing here I'm changing. Okay, so this three we will consider. Now I'm going for add a new property. Add new property, auto select list. So I will select only the things what we created. Concrete beam, right?
Yeah.
No, where it went. This is for steel. You need to select concrete. Then only the concrete things it will come.
Mm.
Okay. So concrete beam. So concrete beam. Okay. So I will select these three, add, and then click OK. This is auto select option. Click OK. So that we can assign to this one. So how we can assign? So assign like a frame section property. So this way after also we can able to assign. Click this and you can put this concrete beam. This one and click apply. Okay, it is automatically taking some value, but after analysis we will see. Because like we are putting some auto filter so that so before in concrete design we were doing one by one, but it will automatically do for us now. Okay, now I'm going for assign
Yeah.
frame load and distributed a point load. So the point load of how much like you can go for a live load alone, live load. Um, in the point 5, I'm going to put the gravity, right? Gravity of 10 kilonewton. Then click Okay, we assigned it. No, I don't think so. Assign frame load, point load. Okay, so 0.5 up there. Okay, then click OK. Only with this we can analyze now. So the analysis done, like we can see the okay, so analysis done. You can see display frame this thing. This we already discussed right before also.
Yes.
This is for live load. It's correct. Shear force. So it's correct. Okay. For dead load, it's different because that it will be UDL.
Mm.
Okay. So very simple. Okay. Now what we can do is like we can go for design, concrete frame design. So I told you how to do and all. Now directly I'm going for a start design check. The analysis and design sections differ for one concrete frame. See, it is getting differed. Do you want to reiterate? Yes. See, now you can see here. So it came. So done. Okay. So to see what is going on, so click it, right click, and you can see the details. It is
Okay.
taken 230 cross 230 beam for the loads given.
Okay.
Fit page, no, 100%. See, it is taken 230 cross 230 beam, and you can see the details here. Okay, see the minimum rebar required, everything you are getting right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so okay, for the load given 230 cross 230 itself, it's okay. Okay, and we can see the diagrams. See how it is. See here you can see the cover, everything, length 8 meter,
Mm.
the width this much and all, and you can see the reinforcement. So because we are putting reinforcement to be designed, that's why whatever, if it is like 3 or 5 also, it is not considering. It is considering only what it has to be. You understood, right?
Yes, sir.
You can control and you can just zoom like this. The diagram, shear diagrams, longitudinal reinforcement, moment, the values and all. So this way, like you can apply the auto filter option so that it will assign automatically based on the requirements. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
yeah, so you can also see here design, see concrete frame design, verify all members passed. See all concrete frame passed Before we were struggling and creating and again we are doing. Now with this auto filter option, like no need to waste our time.
Okay.
Okay. So for this, like we already done the analysis. Okay, now I am going to change the loads. When we are changing the loads, we will see the cross section. There before, like we are getting 230 cross 230, right?
Yeah.
Now we will try to change the load. So we will see how it works. Just removing the log as usual and go here, assign frame loads, right? So we have point load. So already we are having a live load, right? So live load of something in point 0.5, like I was having something. Okay, now I am going to add so 20 and then and also 20 here, and I'm going to replace existing load. Okay, so now in the center 10 kilonewton, it was replaced by this 2020 in this proportions.
Oh, okay.
Okay, now we will analyze.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. So now what we can do means like that this one is regular, right? That I can go for a show. See this one show undeformed shape. Then as usual, like you can go for moment and all. That is for dead load. Live load, like it will be different because we have two load. Can you see? It is now like this. Also
Yeah.
like this because now it is different for live load. Okay. Okay, now like I can go to design, concrete frame design. And on the day, I was directly putting start design check, but we need to see what code it has taken. So by default, when we are starting the project, like we selected American standards, now that's why it's taken ACI code. Okay,
Okay.
so now we can design it. See now you can see here it came because only one beam, now that's why it came very immediately. You can just select right click. Now you can see still it is 230 cross 230 only. I think
Hmm.
this it can withstand even that load also. Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. So I want to put even more load. We will see how it will work. I can go to assign and frame load, and I will put a distributed also. So distributed of minus 5 kilonewton meter, that is in a live load, or minus 10 kilonewton. Minus, so it's already in gravity, na? So you need to put 10 only. You should not put any minus.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. When you have such combination, the moment diagram, shear force diagram, everything will change, and also the design also it will change.
Oh,
Okay, I can just go to show. Wait a minute. We can go to show undeformed shape. Then we can just go here. See, now you can see the shear force. It is different. Before it was different, like this equal. Okay, because now it's a combination of UDL and also the point load. You can see straight, linear, and also the curve. Okay, now I can go to design, concrete design, start design check. See, now it is getting deferred. Can you see? Defer for one
Yes, sir.
concrete frame. Do you want to reiterate? Yes. That's why like auto filter, it will works.
Oh,
Based on the inputting loads, like it will be considering its own cross section. The same concept you can apply for the big buildings. Now we will try some steel structure with the auto filter option. Okay, now yeah, we designed it, right? Yeah, actually it's checking. Okay, so now it was like a different because in 230 cross 230 itself, like we are having some values here. Now, like it was different. We will see right click. See, it is now 350 cross 350. Can you see that how it changed?
yeah. Yeah, sir.
This is what the auto filter, how it works.
Oh,
You can see clearly, you can zoom it and you can see the things and all. So the top rebar and then required and all, like you can see here. Okay.
yeah.
This is for the detail and we can also see the diagram. See, you can see everything. Okay. And accordingly, the shear diagram also based on the applied load. Okay. But
Yes, sir.
I told you again, like detailing. So we will go for detailing also. Go for detailing, concrete detailing. Now we need to go for run or update beam detailing check. Okay.
Yes.
For this beam, like we can see the reinforcement cage, the story 4 we have now, that's why it is coming. That we will get in a separate detailing editor. So you can see that clearly. You can see the cross section and you can see the stirrups. Stirrups 12 mm bar at 175 mm center to center. And you can see here the values. So here you can see it is like center to center of 90 and then here 175 like that. So normally in the corners, the stirrups will be closely placed.
Okay.
You can see the here. This is how it will work. This is 90 center to center, and here it is 175 center to center, like that.
So we have to do all this for projects also.
Yeah, yeah, of course. Like this is very important. With this only, like they will proceed in the real-time situation, the stirrups and all. So you can see here,
Ah,
this is the CB one, rebar details, and you can see the support one, support two,
yeah.
and you can see when you click now, it is getting highlighted.
Yes.
Okay. And you can also see the section. Section here it is coming, na?
Yeah.
The elevation, no bars and with bars, all bars, rebar profile. This is rebar profile and section one and 3D view. I think this 3D view only we can see the cage diagram for the beam. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And beam groups here like we have CB1. Yeah, this is like the whole thing what we have before. Okay, the 3D views. This okay. So this is how the detailing also we can able to see. Nowadays, like it is coming within the program. Before, like we need to go separately. Okay, It will be installed together with eTabs. Nowadays, it is installed already within the program, not as
Okay.
like a secondary software.
Oh,
So closing this window without clicking OK, we'll discard any changes. So if you want to save, you can put, otherwise no. Because
okay.
there also we can do some changes. So accordingly, we can save or save not. Okay.
Mm-mm.
Okay. I think so. Today, like you understand how auto filter works. Okay.
Okay, sir.